Hi guys, so I'm back and I'm going to talk to you about another type of plant propagation today. The method that we're going to be seeing today is called layering. It's a type of plant propagation which an above ground stem grows roots while it's still attached to the parent plant. Later it then detaches and becomes an independent plant, or we can speed the process along ourselves and cut it off ourselves. Hey everyone, so this is my strawberry plant. I just put it in the ground this year and it's started to do quite well. It's grown quite a bit. I'm very excited. It even produced some fruit, which was nice. Not too big, but every year they'll come back bigger and better. Today I wanted to show you how to propagate strawberries. So the method we use for strawberry propagation is actually called layering. So last time I showed you how to do plant propagation by cuttings. Today I'm going to show you how layering works. So strawberry plants send out these shoots called runners. So you can see a big long one right here. Okay. Gives us about 12 inches of length here. And you can see about halfway through, there's a baby strawberry plant. All right. And it started to root here. I don't know if you can see those roots. And it's got leaves. And it's literally the easiest thing you've probably ever done. All you really want to do is take this plant, put it in the soil, roots down, leaves up. That's all you have to remember. Roots down, leaves up. And then you want to find a way to pin it. So a trick that I've seen people use is that they take a barbecue skewer and they break it into like a little brace. Now you can use paper clips, but I prefer to use the barbecue skewer trick because, you know, it is biodegradable. I don't have to worry about just leaving it in my yard. So then you take it, and I'm going to zoom in just a little for you here. And once you've got your little brace, you're just going to take it and you're going to pin those roots to the ground so they can't move away. And I'll put one on the other side just to be sure. And those roots stay. So remember, leaves up, roots down, and that's literally all you have to do. As an added bonus, I wanted to show you what I found behind my strawberry plant today. If you ever see this in your yard, so what you've got is a depression, and then what looks like fur balls on top. This is a rabbit hole. And this will have newborn rabbits in it, pretty much guaranteed, if the fur is still on top like this. And ideally, what we want to do is just not disturb them. Okay, so I actually ended up disturbing them by accident when I was working around the strawberry plant, and that's how I noticed them. So we're just going to make sure they stay covered. And there we go. See, you can see them moving inside. So just to review, these are the steps you're going to follow to propagate strawberries, and it's the easiest thing you're going to do. Number one, locate the runners. Pin them down. Roots down, leaves up. That's it. Cut off any secondary shoots if you want. Third step, let them root, give them water. Fourth step, eat your strawberries and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.